power of defensive driving, saving lives on the road. Defensive driving has become an increasingly crucial skill in modern traffic conditions, as it significantly reduces the risk of accidents and enhances overall road safety. According to recent data from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, adopting defensive driving techniques can decrease the likelihood of collisions by up to 50%. This method emphasizes awareness, anticipation of potential hazards, and maintaining control over unpredictable events on the road. With traffic incidents accounting for a substantial portion of unintended injuries globally, defensive driving stands out as a proactive measure that drivers can take to protect themselves and others. Experts suggest that one key aspect of defensive driving is staying vigilant and avoiding distractions. This includes keeping a safe distance from other vehicles, obeying speed limits, and being attentive to changing weather conditions or sudden movements by pedestrians and cyclists. Furthermore, defensive drivers are trained to anticipate possible dangers by constantly scanning their surroundings for any unusual activity or erratic behavior from other motorists. By remaining alert and prepared for sudden changes, these drivers can react more effectively to prevent accidents. Another essential component is education through certified training programs, which instill these life-saving principles into new drivers right from the beginning. Organizations such as AAA have developed comprehensive courses focusing on situational awareness, hazard recognition, and emergency maneuvers. As cities grow denser with both vehicular traffic and vulnerable road users like cyclists and pedestrians, advocating for widespread adoption of defensive driving practices becomes paramount in ensuring safer roads for everyone involved. Ultimately, embracing these strategies not only fosters individual responsibility but also cultivates a culture of collective safety within our communities.